How do brand approach me? How does this collaboration work? So all these people have started eating without me. I love the view from the flat. Hi, good morning everyone. It's Sunday 10 a.m. and I have started my day with a cup of chai. So I'm starting vlogging and I will not give any intro as why I'm doing what I'm doing. So wherever I have time, wherever I think I should, I will do it. Okay. So today's update is that we have a Chhat Puja. Technically, I'm a Bihari. So, it's a start of Chhat Puja. I'm not very sure about how the days and what things we call. Like, only one thing I know, I have to go to my bua's house, that's my dad's elder sister's house, and we have to have lunch, right? So it's like a prasad there. So basically, I have plans, right? Today, I have, someone has invited me photo shoot, right? I have to go there. Then there are a couple of restaurants in HSI who invited me, so I have to visit there as well. There's one restaurant who's opening today, so they're like, please come and visit. And let's see how it goes. I have no clue how I'll manage going to her house, finishing the lunch, and then again going to photo shoot, finding a photo shoot, changing, then again going to restaurant review. It's going to be a hectic day. And I have started my morning very, very slow. It's just already 10 a.m. and I have done nothing actually. So let's see, you will come along with me. I'll take you guys. Here's Scooby, who doesn't let me drink my morning tea peacefully because he always keep asking to play. I am ready. So I am wearing western even for the puja because obviously I have to go and shoot the reel. So I can't wear Indian outfit. So yeah, this is it. Now I have to go there. It's already 11:30. I am running really late. Since I reached late, all these people have started eating without me, which is so bad of them. Very bad. I have waited a lot. Speciality is that they prepare a dal with lauki, which is bottle gourd, and along with that there will be obviously rice. And extra we can prepare some chutneys, some gobi aloo curry. So this is the entire prasad which they prepare, and a lot of people will eat, like the entire family and neighbors. So this is like a prasad and everyone can eat this. So basically a room will be dedicated to do this puja. So all the items and the person who's doing puja will stay in this room. This room will be completely cleaned and only the person can sleep there. So every year I look forward to this prasad during Chhat Puja and it is so yum.
Flats are always yum.
Yes. I love the view from the flat. The flat is on 7th floor and the view is so amazing here. Especially during sunsets, it's really good. You can literally see the sunsets from this balcony. So I reached late again. I was supposed to reach here by 3:30 or 4, but I reached around 4:40. Given the Bangalore weather, I didn't get much time to click lots of photos. Whatever we have managed here and there, it's all left to the photographer how he edits and share me the final outcome. Now I love the saree so much. For the first time I wore during my office Diwali party. I could not click much pictures of mine, obviously, because we were enjoying and having fun. So since then I wanted to get a photo shoot done. This is the second time I'm wearing, and third time I'll be wearing on a very special location. So yeah, you'll get to know pretty soon. So I'll be posting these images of photo shoots and videos over my Instagram page. You can check that out as well. Also, this is the first time I draped a saree on my own and I was so happy and proud. So I was passing by HSR and I saw the crowd in Ramen Express. I was so happy and overwhelmed that because of my one video which went viral, they got so many customers and they were really happy. So yeah, I mean, good food deserves a good review and recognition. That's all I can say.
One eternity later.
So finally I am back home after a hectic day, like too much things to do, but still I didn't do few things. I could not go and shoot my food vlogs. I did go to HSR. There was this one place who inaugurated today, so they invited me, so I went to try their food. I am yet to shoot a reel for them and post it, but I really enjoyed their food. So this reel might come this week. I have few plans to, so I have few places which I need to cover this week and wind it up. I literally don't have time for anything. Every weekend I am occupied. Weekdays I'm editing my reels. I have office. There are so many people who are keep on messaging in Instagram, you should visit, but I don't know when I'm doing it. So there are few things I need to wind up this week because next week I have something and I will be completely occupied. So yeah, let's see. This week is again gonna be hectic, really hectic. but let's see how it goes. And I have no idea how I will be editing this video, how I will be making thumbnails, because it's very very new for me. And honestly, I don't want to dedicate much time in perfection, because see, if you're gonna make something which very perfect, then you will end up not being consistent, right? The only thing you need to do is you need to just shoot the video, edit, very basic edit, and post it out there, right? Eventually you will learn how to make thumbnails. Eventually you will learn how to do a nice editing, how to do a good voiceovers, how you can, it's all with practice. So the more videos you do, the more you will learn, the more you'll adapt from that. But keep sharing your feedback and whatever you want, like maybe a BTS of my reel, a BTS of what I do when I go for a shoot, for a video shoot, photo shoot, or how do brand approach me, how does this collaboration work. So whatever the little information I have right now with me, I can share across. Thank you for watching the video. I think that's how you say in YouTube, right? Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Good night. Bye bye. Sorry. He just came right now and is so active all of a sudden. I need rest. I am tired. But who will explain him? I have no energy left in my body to play with him. I have no clue what I'm talking. How. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Fine. I think this is all I want to say.
दिखाया जा रहा है इनको शॉट्स एंड ये मोहतरमा स्ट्रेसफुल
9 shots
हो रही है
Yeah.
ये जन मेरी रात तू